to teach you how to use the basics of iMovie 2011. Right now I'm doing a screen recording with the QuickTime player, which is right over here. iMovie 2011 is basically a program that allows you to edit movies and just make them look cool. This is basically what it's going to look like when it opens up, except you're probably not going to have a project there already. So, here's my project library. You can make new projects by going File, New Project. There's going to be themes you can choose from. Right now I'm going with no theme because I don't really need one. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Test. And then this should pop up. It's really pretty easy to use. First you have to import a movie that you already recorded. So I'm going to import a movie right here. You have to go to File and Import, and then Movie. Scroll down, you find a movie you want. I have a pre-recorded screen recording that I want to share. It takes some time to record a movie and import it, so I'm going to speed this section up a little bit. Alright, it's finally done importing it. The longer the movie is, the longer it'll take to import it. Right here is a screen recording of me playing Roblox, just, chilling. Alright, so here's where the actual project is, in the very bottom. It might be flipped, because you can move these tabs around, if you want, where is here. See? They switch around. I like to keep mine like this, it just works better for me. So I'm gonna pick a cool part right there. I like that part. I'm just gonna take it and drag it down here. And now you see these are the second intervals. You can change these because they're 2 seconds right now. You can change them longer and shorter, however you want. Same up here. So this is basically the entire movie. This is really only a few seconds long. This is 14 seconds long, but you can make it look a lot longer. So first thing we want to do, we're going to add a title to it, alright? The title, this is right here, text, it's a little T. You just click it and all of this pops up. My personal favorite for things like this, I like to use this one. It just looks really cool to me. This is nice, this is pretty cool. I'm going to take this and drag it over here to the very beginning. Whoops, that didn't work. Let's try again. Alright, now you can pick a background. As you can see up here it shows which one. I'm just going to pick industrial for now. Alright, now you can add text. You just double click that and this will appear. And here you go. Title text. Let's put Gear Fun. Alright, that looks pretty nice. You can press the space key to watch a preview of it. Pretty neat. I like that. That looks nice. You can also edit the font and everything. See, double click it, and then show font. You can pick different colors, styles, font size, alignment, all this bold, italics, shadow. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to keep the shadow on there. Looks nice. So now you have a title page. As you can already see, this software is really easy to use and it makes amazing looking movies. Now it'll play through all of this. What happens if right here it looks kind of choppy though, because it just goes straight in there. You don't like that. So this is where the transitions come in. There are a lot of transitions, a lot of them really cool, like this, this, this. I'll just use the cube for now. This one looks pretty nice. We'll put it in right between and see if that'll pop up. So now you can press there, and it'll just change. You can change how long you want these to be. Maybe increase the time. Yeah, because it looks really pretty cool like that. So, alright, now that we've added a transition and a title, here's actual video. What if you want them to know who you are? So, wait for him to kill him, I'll zoom out, and then you can pause it. Alright, this is where you are. Alright, so add a little caption here. How do you add a caption? Well, first you have to highlight it, like I've already done. It's highlighted, and just click the text button, and then you pick one. These are called titles, but I think these are the only way you can add an actual caption. So they're best put in the lower corner, like that. Just drag it. It's really simple. Alright, see, now you have a little caption there. I'm gonna put in pretty neat, huh? So now you can do the show fonts thing too. Pretty normal. Now, amazing. It looks great. So that's pretty much the basics of iMovie right there. You have a title, a transition, and some text right here. Alright, there's some other things you can add, like music. You can select the music you want, and then the photo you want. These are just transitions, animations. There's nothing really special there. These two are the ones that I've gone over, transitions and titles. And now that you're done, you can add a voice recording if you want right there. And then you can also crop it. For example, what if I want to crop this section, this entire section? We can take this and select what area you want, make this one bigger. But unfortunately, it resizes by itself, so you have to stay a little longer than it should be, no matter what. You don't have to save that. And, well, that pretty much ends it. After you're done with the video, you can go up here again, iMovie, File, and then Finalize Project, and it prepares your project. After it's done finalizing it, you can go up here, share it with iTunes, iDVD, a browser. In order to make it into an actual movie, you have to export using QuickTime. Since iMovie comes free with the Mac, this is probably what you're going to want to do. QuickTime is basically a media player. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to join www.globeofgeek.com.